If you're ever in a position where you do not have enough room over here on the left side to use your needle threader, there is a little trick. So I know I don't have fabric in it right now, but usually when you have fabric, there's a lot of extra bulk coming up and over the hoop and the embroidery arm. So using the needle threader at this position is not going to work. And I took a design and just forwarded it till the needle was all the way over to the left side of the design to simulate this for you. So what I need to do is actually touch the picture of the hoop. And in this menu, you have an option to move the hoop left or right. And watch, when I touch it, it moves the hoop to the side, and now you have access to that needle threader. As soon as you go back, Xing out of that, it goes back to the last stitch, ready to start where you need to be, and now the needle is threaded without you having to do it all by yourself.